This is us at Hoover Dam. The dam is absolutely amazing. Peyton Poo, Hoover Dam. Hi, Peyton Poos. I'm Cranky Girl. Yeah, Cranky Girl.